Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue north on US Highway 11, beginning at mile 161 in Salem Township, Luzerne County, Pennsylvania. Here, US 11 is called Salem Boulevard. We're still following the west bank of the north branch of the Susquehanna River, which is a very short distance to our right. On the right, you'll see a sign for the Susquehanna Warrior Trail, which is a hiking and bicycle path that runs along an abandoned rail line parallel to US 11 from a point near here, 12.2 miles upriver. We enter the borough of Shikshini, with a population of 630 as of the 2020 census. We pick up a concurrency with State Route 239 here, and US 11 is the main street through town. Shikshini Borough got its name from the creek flowing through the area. Positioned near the Wyoming Valley coal deposit's lower end in a red ash vein near the Susquehanna River, Shikshini had access to valuable coal resources. Coal was first discovered on Rocky Mountain in 1830, leading to a decade of coal extraction by work teams. The borough officially became incorporated on November 30, 1861, breaking away from Salem Township in Union Township. The ownership of the coal mines changed hands multiple times until Paxton Coal Company acquired them by 1869. 4 years later, the Salem Coal Company was established. With these companies at the helm, the mines produced 65,000 tons of coal and employed nearly 200 individuals. In the following years, various businesses like a flour mill, foundry, planing mill, and blacksmith shops were established. The borough of Shikshini became an official Susquehanna Greenway river town in 2011. We emerged from Shikshini in Union Township, which had a population of 2,033 as of the 2020 census. Here we enter Hunlock Township with an estimated population of 2,218 as of 2021. We enter Plymouth Township, formed in December 1768 by the Susquehanna Company of Connecticut. It was originally going to be called Chrysler Township, but this stirred up a group of settlers who disliked the name, and in their fury made such a valiant effort at promoting Plymouth as a reliant name that the powers that be expanded their horizons, and with much acclaim it became Plymouth Township. The township had an estimated population of 1,709 as of 2021. We enter the unincorporated community of West Nanticoke, named for the city of Nanticoke, which is directly across the Susquehanna River. West Nanticoke is also a census-designated place and had a population of 562 as of the 2020 census. Here at South Mill Street, we pick up a concurrency with State Route 29. We conclude today's video at mile 175. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, You too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.